Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to fix USB to HDMI adapter not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're having trouble getting your external display to work through the adapter, don't worry. We'll cover two simple methods to resolve this issue. Method 1, Step 1, right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Device Manager. This will open a window where you can manage all the hardware connected to your computer. Step 2, look for the section called Other Devices. If your USB to HDMI adapter is not properly recognized, it may be listed here with a warning symbol. Step 3, right-click on the USB to HDMI device and select Update Driver. This will allow Windows to search for and install the latest driver for your adapter. Step 4, in the pop-up window, choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will then scan for the most suitable driver and install it if available. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and check if your HDMI display is now working. Method 2, Step 1, open Device Manager again and scroll down to find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. This section contains all the USB-related drivers that control the functionality of connected USB devices. Step 2, right-click on each USB driver listed under this section and select Scan for Hardware Changes. This forces Windows to detect any newly connected devices and refresh the drivers. Step 3, allow Windows to complete the scan and automatically update any necessary drivers. If an update is available, Windows will install it for you. Step 4, close Device Manager and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, try connecting your USB to HDMI adapter again to see if it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more troubleshooting tips and guides.